What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is the first day of officially modding our orange VB.
We're gonna give you guys some good starter mods today, and hopefully these are pretty much the essential mods when you first have VB. We're gonna go right into it. I don't know why I just popped the hood, but I was just curious to see how clean it is because our VB is completely filthy under here. Actually, no, I cleaned it the other day, Jerry. It's pretty clean. So I think this is day 2 with the car.
So what mods are we adding?
Yeah, today, well, before I show you, I want to show you guys the Fender Flares because I obviously would do Fender Flares, but look how bad the factory fitment is already on the Fender Flares. That's how it is. Or plastic like this, it never sets 110%, but for sure a lot of guys gonna be asking, should we do the Fender Flare first? We're gonna decide, okay guys? So comment below guys, should we do color match flares or should we do crystal black, which is, let me show you guys. The only part that doesn't have cladding is this part. So this is, the trim piece is actually crystal black, the factory color. On the crystal black Celica, they have this trim right here, which is in all the VBs. So we can color match this with the flare. So what we're gonna do is either run color match or run the crystal black Celica fenders. So for those that still want a contrast, I think that's what we're doing, Jerry. I'm not sure yet. Let us know what we should do for that. Okay, Kevin's working on a lot of cars right now. Oh, by the way, we're at Ely Bass right now, and there's a lot of cars here today. Yeah. Before we continue,
wow, what's that in the passenger seat? Wow, that wasn't there before.
Oh wow, where that came from, huh? You know, got some magic tricks. So we're gonna be putting on some AFD parts today. Before we put this on, Jared, I've been wanting to do something else more important. I don't know why some dealers. I know in California it is mandatory to do this. You can always request this to be not installed when you purchase a car. I know if the car's been at the dealership already, they might have drilled it already. If not, you always have a chance to take this off. So today we're gonna take this off. Let's just do it right now. All right guys, so part 1, taking this off, and here is the big mistake that Subaru made, okay guys? I'm gonna tell you guys right now, because this happened on Dre's car. Yeah. So behind these 2 giant screws is a rubber insert, nuster kind of, that they drilled a big hole on both sides. So I'm gonna show you guys what I mean right now, okay? Oh, what happened? Oh, that's exactly what happened. Yep, you gotta pull it out, you gotta pull it out. Yep, pull it, and screw at the same time. Oh my God, look at it. Wow. Ready? Hold on. Stop. Go ahead. Look, I got it, okay.
There you go.
There you go. And then from there, you just unhook it from the bottom.
Yeah, it's 2 big nostrils here.
As you can see, there's 2 giant, like, I would say, dude, what are you doing, Jerry? Huh? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
I'm just testing the diameter of this hole right here. As you can see, the hole is enormous and you cannot fix this. You could do is have a plate delete over here, but I think what we're gonna do is, what the heck, look at these 2. There's 2 more holes from this. Oh my God, so ugly now. What we're gonna do is probably most likely repaint the bumper. That's the only other way to fix this, or you can leave this back on, which I think looks kind of ugly, so. Disappointed, Jerry, part 1.
Yeah.
So Subaru, you know, I feel like they could have done a better way of mounting this, to be honest. You know, I think dealers should maybe come with a factory like mounting, like a tow hitch for license plate instead of doing this. This is devastating, you know? Imagine you have a GT model, you spent 50 grand and they put 2 big ass holes here. I will cry. But it is what it is. I'm gonna leave that for now. We'll come back to it another time. But today, let's go ahead and install some new parts. Let's start off with I guess, one of the most easiest mod you can do at home without taking to a shop, or, you know, it's a quick Sunday 5-10 minute, maybe like 15 minutes, okay? Which is our AFD window visors. All right guys, so here we have the AFD window visors. These are super easy to put on and they're super nice. I already prepped this already, so pretty much get some alcohol wipes, guys. So just clean the window trim. You simply remove the 3M tape on the back of the windows and you just pretty much apply it on. So cool thing about this window visor is, like I said, when it rains, you can always crack the window without water getting in and you get some fresh air. So, by the way, these are smoked tinted with nice acrylic, not the cheap ones you buy on eBay for like 30-40 bucks and they will fade and crack on you. So it's really good quality. So to do this, super easy. I'm just gonna line it up to test fit. There's a groove right here for the pillar, okay? Put it next to it and then apply 3M tape and apply on. So me and Dre can get started for you guys and then we'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Before we put the window visors on, I wanna show you guys our second mod. I think the vision we're going for this car might be like a orange and black combo. We don't know yet, guys. So comment below though. I'm very curious for those who want a bit more contrast. Ooh, look at that. Black, and these are not overlays. These are direct replacements. So you can pop these off. We're gonna go ahead and apply this as well, and then we'll show you guys the final results.
Yeah, I think, hey, we should get a black roof, huh?
Yeah. Hey, where are elite wraps? Hey, you want to ask Kevin?
No.
Nah. You can ask him. And one more mod, guys. Today, the last mod. Here, Jerry, do this. I'm gonna
license plate frame.
We're gonna take off the stock dealer plate cover and put the AFD one.
Yeah, if you ever come to the shop and give Jeff a kiss on the lips, he'll give you one for free.
Yeah. If you give me a kiss, yeah, I'm gonna give you a free catback exhaust system. Okay, right here. Okay. Speaking of exhaust system, try this STI exhaust system, which we're gonna swap that out later. As you can see, guys, the black mirror caps really contrast well, especially with the cladding right now. Again, we're gonna remove a lot of the cladding. I mean, that's the goal right now. And then we're also gonna redo the roof. We're not redo it, but do the gloss black roof, some black grill for sure, and more accents here will be blacked out. That's gonna be coming in the near future. But as you can see, the mirror caps and the window visor, definitely a good starter mod. Again, I think catback is also, not catback, axle back, exhaust, or any kind of exhaust system you choose will be a good starter mod too. You know, it's actually nice, gonna redo this whole build over it, but we're gonna try to change it up and do something different than our current BB. So I see a lot of comments. You guys want to do like, you know, a lifted series. Some guys want us to go like anime, you know, like overlay, what's it called, livery. Some people want us to slam the car again. Some people want to do the same build for WRX. But I won't tell you what we're gonna do yet, but we have a general idea what we want to do. As you can see, we already did the window visors, the mirror cap. Yeah, we're deciding to paint match everything right now. A lot of guys will probably want us to go to an orange flare. But I was probably thinking like a gloss black, crystal black silica, whitening flare. I don't know yet.
Blue flare, orange and blue.
Orange, blue. You know what's funny? The battery just died on me last week.
Really?
Yeah, I was trying to move it. It legit just like bogged on me.
Damn, dude. Brand new car.
Yeah, dude, I don't know what's happening, man. I was pretty
wait,
disappointed.
man.
Dude, I was the last one here to close up shop, and then like, this thing was just stuck outside, you know? So I had to move all the cars out, jump started, because Jared's on vacation, you know, in NorCal.
Oh, that's right.
I was team solo. But other than that, check out the color match, it's off. If you guys don't know, plastic and metal, slight shade on. The more you know. We're definitely gonna swap the grill out, right, Jared?
Yeah.
I think it's hideous.
Get like a same grill as Jeff's.
Should we do, yeah, maybe, comment below, guys. Should we do a V2 grill or a V1 sports grill?
Or grill delete.
Or grill delete, yeah. Maybe just like, check it out. But today we're gonna go ahead and do some color matching. I think the most ugliest part of this car, to be honest, is the flares. But you might get used to it over time, but I think the rear bumper, look at this, look at that rear bumper, guys. Look how sexy our rear bumper looks. So we're gonna go ahead and take the BB today. Me and Jerry are gonna take the bumper off, and then we'll show you guys how to take the bumper off, because we never actually done an actual show you how to take it off, more like B-roll take it off. The front, the rear bumper. Oh. Yeah, so we'll show you guys how to take the rear bumper off. For those that want to get their paint match bumper by us, you can. We just had a customer this morning, right? He just got the side skirt, the front lower part, and then the rear bumper color match and gloss black accents and all that good stuff. All right, guys, if this video gets 1,000 likes, we'll give away Adrian's exhaust. Yo, sorry, Adrian. 1,000 likes. It's been sitting here for like 5 days. Well, actually, yeah, it's 5 days. Yeah. So storage fees, okay? We'll charge Adrian like $100 a day storage fees. But comment below, if this video get 1,000 likes, we'll pick a winner, and if someone can take his whole 3-inch catback system. But anyway, Jerry, let's go show him how to take the rear bumper off today, because we are gonna get a color match. So Jerry's gonna move it out.
I don't know what he's talking about. The battery's perfectly fine, bro.
I can't hear you.
I know.
Yo, watch out! Hilarious. So go ahead and move the van right now. Cladding versus non-cladding. So we're gonna go ahead and do the same thing. Jerry, should we paint the bottom gloss black? What do you think? We can even do this. We can do solar orange for this, right? You can solar orange this piece, and then do this part gloss black, and do this, you know, color match. Orange? Yeah, what do you think? Well, we'll go ahead and get that done. But we'll go ahead and show you guys how to take the bumper off. So it's pretty simple. There are a few things to do. In order to access the rear bumper, as you can see, we have these very hideous flare right here. So in order to take it off, in order to get access to the bumper, you're gonna have to remove half of this flare, or you can take the whole thing off. It doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop off these 2 clips right here on the side. One right here and one right here, okay? You can get a flathead. All right, guys, so on the bottom, there's 1, 2, 3 on the side, and then 4, 5, 6, 7 clips on the bottom, 8, 9, 10. For those that have have some miles on the car, taking this off will be kind of difficult because a lot of rocks and dirt stuck in there. So when you have dirt and crap in here, it makes it super hard to take out. So do take your time, guys, okay? Or if you want, knock it a couple times. See, we have some rocks already. Do that and all the rocks will come off and make your life a little bit easier. Other 2 clips on the other side. Man, you're right, Jerry, it's a little too big, this flathead. Okay. Make sure you open the door to get access to the flare. So all you gotta do is pop off the flare. I'm gonna do from this side. And this clip always gets stuck in here, guys. Every time you take this off, this is how it is. And behind the flare, you have a beautiful 10mm Phillips head socket. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my 10mm right here. And then let's take this off. And that's it. And I'm gonna repeat this on the other side. Okay. Always leave your screws in the trunk, guys, or on the floor. So after I got all the clips removed, I can simply pull, yank back, okay? The headlight might touch, so just be gentle with this area, okay? Pull back as I go, pull back as I go. Don't be afraid to pull on it, okay? Give it a little tug. Boom. And just like that. If you guys have a GT model with sensors, just be careful, guys. There's like a couple of sensors connected to. Actually, one main sensor that connects it, right? To the 5 sensor. Yeah. So make sure when you do that, take your time. Only for GT, but everybody else,
this thing right here.
Yeah, everybody else with GT limited or premium without sensors, you guys are good to go. All right, guys, always zip up. Especially if you're dropping stuff off for a couple of days to paint, you don't want to lose all your clips, Always have a little Ziploc bag or something that we're gonna release here and talk about in the future, which is our V2 roof visor. Jerry, can you show them the difference? The V1 has a cutout in the middle, so more aggressive. So this is a little bit more subtle for those interested, the V2. But more information coming out later in the next video. All right, guys, thanks for joining in for today's video. We did the mirror caps in crystal black silica. We did the window visors, and we took off the bumper. But yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, this VB is gonna be transformed in a way that you would not believe. It's something me and Jerry is gonna do something crazy. So it's gonna be super fun. I'm excited. Here's our customer's G82. We actually built a whole catback system titanium, which we'll show you guys in another video. So a lot of cool stuff coming, guys. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, like. Thank you so much. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.